We started in 1957 with my grandfather, was a furniture maker, cabinet maker, and he decided that it would be good to get into laminated timber. So in 1958, along with my father, they started manufacturing laminated timber beams. We looked at moving the company to another level, and we joined up with another glulam manufacturer, smaller manufacturer in Auckland, and formed TimberLab Solutions. The yellow tree house was a project that came to us from an architect that was doing a promotion for the Yellow Pages, and this was in the early 2000s. And they had this idea that they were going to build literally a tree house in a redwood tree in a redwood forest north of Auckland. They came to us with pretty much a hand-drawn sketch. This is what we want, and can you do this? And so we looked at what they had, and our people worked with the architect again to develop the scheme that they had and turn it into some working practical drawings. And then from there we fabricated all the elements for the curve. It's an onion shape, and it was built literally in the tree, and it is suspended in the tree on a bracket, and the tree is still living. And so 10 years later, I think it must be, it's still a living tree. What makes us unique is the fact that we offer a solution. We can provide a total package, from helping clients out in the early stages of design. We work a lot with architects and engineers in helping them find the best solution for their building without changing the building. Back in the day, so to speak, we'd always done a lot of our work with hand tools, small woodworking machinery, and so everything we did in structures that were large and small, cutting, slotting, drilling and machining, was all done by hand or with small woodworking machines. So we were getting asked by the industry and by architects and developers, when are you going to get a CNC machine? So there'd been a change in the industry to more off-site fabrication, more detailed work. And the big decision was made, what should we do and what should we buy? And so we ended up saying, well, okay, the Weinmann WMP was the machine that we needed. Processes as a journey. It's a bit like life, I suppose. It is a journey, and so the CNC technology is just part of that journey and taking us on